In this video, I'm going to show you how to use IQCent. Now, the first thing you have to do here, once you create your account and sign into the platform here, there's a bunch of things you have to know. So I'm just going to walk you through what each and every single thing does and how to use everything. Now, first things first, up here, as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different tabs. What this does is it switches you between different symbols. So as you can see here, I have Euro USD, I have a BTC USD, etc. So if you want to open up something else, a different instrument, what you could do is click over here directly on the chart and select something else, or you could click on this plus button and then you could just select something you're interested into trading. So for example, if I go ahead and open up a BNB USDT, it's going to open up as a separate thing up here, and you can then close the ones that you don't want to use anymore right now. Of course, you can reopen them later whenever you wish. Now, when you do that here on the left hand side, you have the My Trades tab, and if you click on that, it's going to show you your trades over here, your open trades, your open orders, stuff like that. You have your turbo savings, so in case you want to use that, you can do that. That's completely up to you. You can read what that is. You can do copy trading here if you want to, and of course, if you're into that, you could do that as well. You have their trading contests in here, where you can join a trading contest and read the rules, and if you want to, you could then go ahead and participate. You have the market analysis, where you can basically go ahead and see the analysis of the market. You have the help center, so if you need any help, you can get help in here. Here you have a trading stats, so this is for your account. You can see it for today, for yesterday, this month, all time, and then you can choose your own period. Here you have the marketplace, where this is basically, of course, their marketplace, which you can see. And you have your trading academy here, where you can basically sign up and learn more about the courses, stuff like that. You could invite friends over here, and you could also see the live chat over here, where you can basically start chatting and just enter in your name and start chatting. So here you also have this kind of meter over here, which will basically allow you to see how things are going for you. And that's pretty much it when it comes to this left hand tab over here. Now, up top here, you also have a few different things. This thing over here is just like a box. So if you open it up, as you can see, it's a mystery box, and it's going to say you can try luck to win prizes. So of course, if you want to do that, you could go. Here, as you can see, you'll see you have your trade back rewards, and then up here you can switch between accounts. So you could switch between real accounts, between demo accounts, stuff like that. Then up here, top right, you also have your profile, where you can go ahead and activate your profile. You could see your levels, your amounts of mystery boxes, rollovers, stuff like that, the settings, bonuses, notifications, and everything you can, of course, use to manage your account. Then here you have the withdraw option, where you can go through the withdrawal, and then up here you have the add funds option, where you can deposit onto your account. Here in the middle of your screen you have your chart. Again, this is where you can select whatever you want to see on your chart. This here will allow you to switch between candles, ticks, or trading view. Okay, so that's up to you, whichever you want to use. And then over here you can also see the time. You can change the intervals on your chart. You could add on different indicators. You can put on different drawings. You could go ahead and set the settings. You can do whatever you want, and especially if you put on a trading view chart, you can also do some technical analysis over here by using different lines and stuff like that. So that's kind of the basics of this chart over here. And if you also want to know how to trade, here on the right hand side you have your order panel, where you can basically select your time. You can do fixed or not. You can select your trade amount in percentages or dollar amounts, and then you can just see the payout and potential payout over here, and you can then go up or down place a trade that way, and you'll be able to see it down here at the bottom whenever that's executing. Okay, so that's basically how to use IQCent. Of course, there's much more to it. I just wanted to give you a basic overview on how to actually navigate the platform. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.